I'm R3-MYDAS. I'm the coordinator of the R3-MYDAS project. The R3-MYDAS project is about remanufacturing and facilitating the circular value chain. I'm very happy today. Yesterday and today we are having the kick-off meeting of the project. We are all here today, and I think it has been a great success. And we are very confident that this will continue for the next 3 years.
Good morning. My name is Jaume. I am the Work Package 2 leaders. I am coming from KOM in Spain. Work Package 2 is related with oil and gas market, and more specifically, we are dealing with the repair of oil and gas components with advanced manufacturing process.
Good morning. My name is Bernhard. I am Innovation Manager in AVL. We are a family-owned business acting as an engineering service provider to automotive OEMs and Tier 1s. In R3-MYDAS, I'm the Work Package leader of Work Package 3, and we are working on fault detection of e-vehicle batteries in the project. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Antero Putvonen, an associate professor from LUT University in Finland. We are working as part of the R3-MYDAS consortium in Work Package 4, that is the third demonstration case where we look at the remanufacturing of wind turbine gearboxes.
And of European, I'm from IME. We are part of the R3-MYDAS consortium. We are involved in Work Package 5 that is related with the human-centric sustainability issues and framework.
Hi, I am Joan Pocard of CSEM, and we're leading Work Package 6 in R3-MYDAS, which aims at implementing quality control, cognitive robotics, and marketplace for remanufactured goods and services.
Hello, my name is Fatima Zogu. I am part of EWF, and we are the Work Package leaders of Work Package 7 on the dissemination and communication regarding project R3-MYDAS.
Hello, my name is Alessio Bugliotta. I'm a Senior Program Manager at the IT Manufacturing. I'm leading Work Package 8, which is about business development and training activities.